What if I told you there's a fish that acts as a personal groomer for others? Enter the Cleaner Wrasse, a small but mighty fish that performs a crucial role in the ocean ecosystem. These vibrant fish set up cleaning stations on coral reefs, where larger fish line up to receive a thorough cleaning. The Cleaner Wrasse delicately removes parasites, dead skin, and other debris from its clients, promoting their health and well-being. But here's the mind-blowing fact. These little fish can distinguish between different species and prefer working with healthier clients, ensuring they get the best meals while contributing to the health of the reef. This mutualistic relationship showcases the balance of nature and how species rely on one another for survival. The Cleaner Wrasse not only provides a service, but also benefits from the nutrients it gains. Next time you think of a cleaning service, remember the Cleaner Wrasse. This tiny fish demonstrates how collaboration and care can flourish in nature. If you want to dive deeper into fascinating animal facts, like and subscribe for more amazing insights into the animal kingdom.